Hello everyone. Welcome to our AI drone with Python. So today we are here to launch our Kickstarter campaign, and the best part will be that we will do it together. So before we begin, please let me know if you are able to hear me properly, if the audio is clear. Again, it seems there is an interruption with the connection. Let me check what the issue is. Okay, so I believe everyone is able to hear me, and I'm seeing some positive comments that it's clear, everything is going well. That's good. So, welcome everyone. If you are joining us just now, I mentioned that we are about to launch our Kickstarter campaign, which is AI drone programming with Python. So this is a very exciting time. We are going to launch it together. And as you can see here, that this is our drone programming course. And this is the backend of our Kickstarter campaign. And here you will be able to see what exactly happens when you launch a Kickstarter campaign and how exactly do you launch a Kickstarter campaign as well. Now, what I will do is I will give you a sneak peek of what exactly is in the course and what are the different versions of the course so that you can benefit from it before we actually launch. You can know what exactly you should get if you are planning to do so. Okay, so here you can see we have good news. Your project has been approved. So whenever you create a Kickstarter campaign, you first have to get it approved. So you have to send them to the team of Kickstarter and they approve whether it is eligible for a campaign or not, whether you break any rules or not. So in this case, we were approved. In fact, we just sent our video and we were approved. We didn't actually do anything else, not the tiers, not the what do you call the story page, nothing else. We just created the video, a small part of the video, and we sent it, and they approved it. So thanks to them for having some faith and approving it so quickly. And you can see they send a letter with it, not a letter, they send an email. Thanks for sharing your project with us. Everything looks good. We can't wait to see it to go live. And today is the day that we go live, right? So, and they give some tips as well. So here are all the different things you have to do before you get started and before you launch your Kickstarter campaign. Now, what we will do is we will go ahead and look at the story, because that is the main part, that is the main thing that tells you about the course itself and what exactly is in the course and whether it is for you or not, right? So that is what we will do. Here we have our introduction to our project. Before we begin, let me see everyone is able to hear and see. Yeah, everything looks good so far. By the way, last time I had an issue with the camera. It was getting blurred every now and then. So can you please confirm that it's not happening this time? Last time I tried to fix it, so I'm hoping this time around we will not face that issue. So if you're not facing that issue, please let me know in the comments that that problem has been fixed. Good evening, sir. I have been learning data science and AI since last year. Interested in drones since my childhood. Oh, that's amazing. See, drones are very interactive way to learn coding. That's why the biggest video or the most viewed video of our channel is about drones. So, and that's why we are creating this course, because that's what the people want, right? What I did was, initially I didn't actually plan to create a drone course. I was doing computer vision courses. Then I was participating in a few competitions with my students, and I thought, wait, why don't I create a course about how to navigate a drone, how to follow a line, and so on. And to my surprise, that got a hit and people loved that course. And till date, that's the best course that we have sold and the best free course as well. So it was very intuitive, very interactive, very informative, and a fun way to learn. Now, the best part about this course was that the drone that we were using was readily available from your local hardware stores, right? So we were using the Tello drone, and that's why we are using the same drone in this course as well, because it is so easily available and you don't really have to do anything. Let me see if I have one of these here. So there I have the Tello EDU with a mirror attached, another Tello EDU, and we also have a Tello, a normal Tello. Now I broke one of these what do you call them, guards. So I was flying and anyways, it happens, all right? So yeah, as I was saying that, so I created this YouTube course, and then it was really good and people loved it, right? And then I thought, okay, let me create a more advanced version of that. And this time around, I will make it paid so that I can, run my kitchen as well. So then after that, for around 3 years, I did not make any drone courses. You can say 2.5, 3 years, right about that time. So I didn't make any other courses because I didn't feel the need to create those courses because I thought it might be redundant. So, but now things are changing. For the past few months, the way AI has been rapidly increasing, we definitely need a new course with AI technology in it. And last time that we launched our Kickstarter campaign, we had a little bit of complaint that the courses were a bit expensive. So what we did was we made them very cheap this time. In fact, the first course, the first tier of this course is in double digits. And I will show you the exact pricing before the launch as well. So stay tuned. What's the link? The link, let me share the link with you. The link, okay, I believe. So right now you can only access the launch page, which will be like this. So you have to click on notify me on launch. I will put that in the comments. So if you want to get notified, well, we will be doing it together, so you don't have to get notified anymore. You will be able to see it, don't worry. So yeah, that was the idea, that we wanted to make it cheaper this time. So we went to double digits with the first tier of this course. And after that, it's still way cheaper than our previous courses. So, and that's only for the Kickstarter, right? Because we are giving away 50% off only for the first day. And then after that, it will be 30% off. You will still be able to get a good deal. But if you get it on the very first day, because you will back us on the first day, you will have trusted us in the very beginning. That's why we will be giving you a huge discount. So it will be 50% off. And not only that, you will be able to get a Tello drone, one of the Tello drones, one of the 5 Tello drones, through a giveaway. So not everyone will get it, but we have 5 Tello drones that we will be giving away. So if you back us on the first day, you will get a chance to get it, and you will be in the draw from which we will pick. And as you can see on the top here, where is it? This side, yeah. At the top here, you can see it says win 5 Tello drones giveaway, and 50% off, and all that good stuff is mentioned up here. So yeah, that's the idea. Okay, can we use FOP drones with your course? That's a good question. See, Telodrone has a Python SDK, so it's very easy to control it. Now, what I like to do is I like to think of the course in two parts. One part is sending the commands to the drone. For example, move at this velocity, go up, go down. And then the other part is the AI logic. So if you want to use any other course, you will have to change this part. You will have to get a Python SDK for that drone in which you will communicate or send the values. The AI logic part will remain the same. So whatever methodology or AI models we will use will remain the same, but you will have to get your own SDK. And 90% of the time, it's very difficult to get that. It's very difficult to program it. So that's why Telodrone is so easy and interactive and a fun way to use because it's so cheap. I believe it's $99 at this point. So I have not seen any other drone that beats the price of this. That's why it's so popular. Okay, what is the link? Please bring a detailed course for community from scratch. Community? Course for community? Oh, you mean the drone course? Sure, why not? OMG, your hairstyle. It's a little bit too much, right? It's puffed. What's the link? Yes, it's true. Love you, sir. Love you too. Thank you very much. I won't miss you, your video at any cost. Oh, thank you very much. You are the best. Thank you. Thank you for your comments and thank you for your support, which has led me to create all of these courses and create all of these free contents. In fact, I was looking the other day and I've almost crossed 300 YouTube videos. Let me check it again. And I was shocked. Really, did I make 300 videos? Because some of them, they are really long. Like I would say the average is like 1 hour. So that's a lot of content. And that is only because I get the push from you guys that you are doing something good and keep going. And that motivation pushes me to keep going and creating this new stuff. Yes, that is true. So if I look at, there you go. So you can see that it's 312 videos till now, which is amazing. Well, I know it's not a lot to some YouTubers, but to me, it's a lot, to be honest. It's a lot. Okay, and then we have, how can we make robust drones like DJI? Because I'm interested in starting a drone startup. Well, going into the hardware is a bit tough. I would say it's very competitive because of the big companies. They have a lot of leverage when it comes to research and development. So even if you have the basics of the hardware, it's a little bit tough to get R&D because these companies, like if you think about Apple, why is Apple so good? Apple is good because they have a very strong R&D department. In fact, they have many R&D departments for each of their different tasks. So that's why it's a little bit difficult to get into that arena. But it's not impossible. You can do it, but it's a little bit tough to get in. But I wish you the very best of luck. In India, as per your experience, is it possible to make drones like DJI company in India, according to you, sir? I think you can do it, right? Because India is going at a very fast pace, and I think they are ahead. They at one time they will be ahead from a lot of other big countries. So I believe it is possible. Are there any prerequisites for this course? Good question. So the main prerequisite for this course is Python. So you just need to know the basics of Python. So now you will ask, what exactly do you need to know in Python? I would say variables, loops, for loop, while loop, if statement, functions, very important. You need to know functions. The idea of functions, that how do they work. Classes, well, you can, it's not very compulsory, but it's good to know classes. You can do a lot of things with functional programming as well. You don't really have to push classes, but it's always beneficial to know classes. Only 95 views. Actually, the count here is different. I am getting 511 views at the back end. So I'm not sure. Maybe it's updated late or something. Do you have any special price for those of us who bought your previous drone programming course? That's a good question. Currently, we are giving the best offer of first day backing. So if you email us after that, we might be able to do something. But this is at this point, it's the bare minimum we were able to get. So 50%, and as I mentioned, it's in double digits. So if you go to our website, in fact, let me show you. If you go to our website, by the way, only 7 minutes are left to launch. So if you go to our website and you go to courses, you will not find any course that is in double digits, right? So let's say I go to Computer Vision Arduino, right? So the starting one is 147, and if I go to enroll now, it's 147 and 197. And then we have 317, 467, 747, and we have the legendary bundle at 1697. So it's I would say it's a very good deal. And if we look at our previous drone programming course, it is at 197 at this point. You will be able to, if you have not purchased this before, you will be able to get this course at a discounted price as well. So yeah, that's the idea. So I hope that answers the question. Are Tello drones discontinued? They are out of stock for several months in DJI. You can't find it at 99 today. I don't believe they are discontinued. They are available, but because of the economy, the shortage, there are some problems with production, yes, but I don't believe it's discontinued. From where to buy Tello drones in Pakistan? You can buy Tello drones from Pakistan. I believe if you are in Lahore, you can get it from the place where you get those cameras. I forgot the name of it. What was the name? The one near Nisbat Road. You can get it from there. I'm new into drone AI. I have subscribed to your channel for my projects. Welcome to our channel, and I hope you learn a lot. The Titan has roared again big time. Thank you very much. Thank you. The Tello drone discontinued this year. Can we apply EDU drones like the Eco drones? Yes, you can do that too. And I don't believe they are discontinued. TensorFlow versus PyTorch, which one is better for future? Let me explain this. Should I explain it? Might be too long. Okay, let me explain it quickly. It doesn't matter which technology you are in. A person who is selling milk in a milk shop is also making money. The person creating services for different companies is also making money. The person using PyTorch is also making money. The person using TensorFlow is also making money. The only difference here is that what do you feel more comfortable with, and try to be the best at it. That's my advice. Don't try to keep changing your direction every now and then. There will always be demand of something, not something. There will always be demand of things. It might be less, it might be more, depending on the time, but there will be demand. So don't lose hope and keep working towards your goal. Okay. I work in logistics. I want to do a project with drones, inventory control, to detect QR codes and barcodes. Yeah, that is very doable. In fact, one of the high school students, they contacted me and they had a industrial project where they helped very big trucks do reverse parking using drones. So when the truck comes in, the drone flies and goes at the back and shows the footage of the back. It was quite intuitive, and they did a very Very good job. Okay. So your website is developed by modern technology like MERN, MongoDB, React, Express, Node. No, I use WordPress, but yeah, you can use. I think right now MERN is at the high charts, but you can use LAMP. LAMP is a little bit older, but MERN I believe is taking off more. Can you elaborate on safety measures, protocols implemented in the drone programming? Well, this drone is actually quite safe. In fact, I have bumped into it a lot, and sometimes I do it deliberately to stop it. And it is very flexible, it is sturdy, it doesn't break. I have had these drones, I believe, since more than 3 years now, and I didn't face big issues. There are small issues, I would not say. Sometimes you have to update the app and so on, but yeah, overall, it's really good. I am college student. I am really confused. AI or web development for future? Well, again, try to do a little bit of both. Uh, None of these are going anywhere. AI will be there, web development will be there. So try to do a little bit of each and see what intrigues you more and move towards that. You are a good person. Thank you very much. Okay, so I think we are about to launch. And before we launch, let me actually show you all the different, what do you call, uh, tiers and the course itself. So you have a better idea of what exactly the course is about. Okay, so here we are. This is the story page of the Kickstarter campaign, and I will explain what it tells. So here we have the world's most popular drone coding course now has an AI version. So earlier we were just using image processing techniques, but now we are embedding AI to the drone as well. Now, because AI models are heavy, it's not very simple or straightforward to embed it into the drone. So there are techniques to do that, and that is what we are going to explain in this course. So you don't need any other course to learn drone programming, because this course will come with the basics of drone programming. We already have that on YouTube, but it will come without ads. Then it will also come with our previous course that uses image processing, and then it will come with the latest course that uses AI programming. So it will have everything, so you don't have to worry about going to any other course. You can pretty much do it with this course. We designed it so that it's suitable for students, hobbyists, educator, institutes, and we also have a specific version that is only for institutes. Okay, the drone we will be using is the Tello drone, and you can see it is a great drone. It has an EDU version and it has a normal version. The EDU version has one big advantage. You can run simultaneously multiple drones at the same time. With the Tello regular, you cannot do that. So if you want to create a drone show, then you have to get the Tello EDU. So that's the basic idea. Then the applications of drones. There's a lot of applications like, if you remember Iron Man 1, he had to be rescued from the desert. So drones can actually help a lot in that. Then there's a company called Zipline who is actually helping in the delivery of medical supplies. They're already doing that using drones. Then we have it in education. There are specific institutes that are now using drone programming as the basics to teach programming to students, because that's a very intuitive way. Then the projects that you are going to learn, it will have car counting. You can analyze traffic. Then there's an obstacle course. You will be able to create your custom obstacle course, and then you will be able to learn how to go through that course using your Telodrome. Then there will be a fire and rescue. So there will be a small fire somewhere, and then the drone has to find it, and then it has to give the location of that back to the headquarters. So that's the idea of this project. Then we have a drone show where you will use Telo EDUs to run multiple drones together and create a drone show simultaneously. And probably you have seen a lot of these around. And then who am I? I'm hoping that if you are not new to my channel, then you already know. But if you are new, my name is Murtaza Hassan, and I have been running this YouTube channel for the past 4 years. And it is, if not the biggest, it is one of the biggest computer vision channels, I would say. And we have created courses that are ranked #1 on YouTube and Google as well. And we sell our courses in over 80 different countries. So, and these are some of our previous courses. And we have a lot of videos of our previous projects that we have done with the drones. And you will be able to get this access as well if you buy the full pack. And then we have the testimonials. So what people are saying about us. And then we have some certification that you will be getting a certificate with this as well. And the biggest thing that today, if you get it today, you will get it for 50% off. And we are also giving away 5 Telo drones to the people who subscribe or back our campaign today. So that's the idea. Then we have a little bit of explanation because we have 3 bundles: the basic, the advanced, and the educator. So basic will teach you how to embed AI in the very basic terms. Advanced will teach you different projects like obstacle course, finding fire in the city, drone show, all of that is in the advanced stuff. And then we have the educator, which will come with the license of teaching in institutes. And also it will come with teaching material, which you can use to help enhance the learning process. Then if you are very new to this arena, we recommend that you get the full pack. If you are an individual, get the full pack advance, in which you will get our previous YouTube course without any ads. You will get our image processing with drone course, and then you will get the AI course with all the projects and everything. But if you are an educator, then you should get the educator full pack, in which you will get the curriculum as well, the teaching material. So that's the idea. I think you good at maths. What is, Mark, your score in your school days? Yeah, I was good at maths. Not anymore though. In fact, I got 100 out of 100 as well in one of the A levels. I scored, I believe I scored A star in A levels. And after that, I don't remember the scores. Anyways, so moving on. These are officially our Kickstarter pledges. So if you are getting the basic version, on the first day, you will get it for $97. If you get it after the first day, you will get it for $147. And if you get it after Kickstarter, you will get it for $200. So that's a big difference. 97 and 200, that's a 50% discount. Then for advance, you will get it for $167 today, tomorrow $197, and after Kickstarter $350. Then $297 for the educator, $397 after today, and $750 after Kickstarter campaign. Then we have $267 for the full pack advance, So if you are a beginner and you want to learn everything about drones, this is the one I recommend. 267, this will give you the best value. And after today, it will be 297. And after Kickstarter, it will be $450. So that's almost 50% off. Then we have the full pack educator. It is 367 today, 497 after today, and after Kickstarter it will be 850. And then we have the legendary bundle, which will be 1497 with the AI course, all of the AI courses, and all of our previous courses whatsoever. So all the courses, 1497. And then we also have add-ons. So if you are backing, you can go to the checkout and you will have the option of getting any one of these as well. You can add those. These are 30% off each. So if you look at, for example, if you wanted to buy AI drone basic, you can select that. And then you wanted to buy computer vision mobile apps, you can add $97 to it. You will see the option there in the add-ons, and then you can add that. So you have computer vision with Arduino, Jetson Nano, web development, game development, interactive games, computer vision smart city. So you have lots of availability of different courses. So we have demos of all these here. So if you want to check those out, that's here as well. So this is the project timeline. We are planning to keep coding in April, May, and then production in June and July. And we will be delivering by August so that you can get started right away. So that's not a very long time. We will be starting in April, hopefully when this gets funded. So I think we are done. Now I don't want to wait anymore before we launch. So if everyone is ready, what do you think? Should we launch? Are you guys ready to launch? I will be here after the launch as well. So if you have any questions, if you wanted to ask something, you can still do that. That's not a problem. But for now, if you have any questions, let's answer those. Sure, light it up. Okay, so here we are. Ready. So let's buckle up. We are about to launch. So here it says, I am ready to launch. So that is exactly what we are going to do. So stay tuned. So I believe once we click it, I did it last year, so I don't remember exactly what happened. So I think if we click it, it will ask if you want to continue or something, and then it will do it. By the way, the course is for 24 days. The Kickstarter campaign is for 24 days, and our goal is to raise $3,000. And today my goal is to get the first backer within our live stream. So I believe that will be success for me, that if we can get one backer during our live stream. So people are asking about the projects in basic course, the difference between full advance and advanced. I will explain all of this, but let me just launch the course and I will be with you and I will explain whatever you want to know. Don't worry about that. So let's launch. So here it says the date will be 26th of April, and this is blah blah blah. They are telling about the fees and everything, if you are funded and all of that. So here we have our button. We are all good and ready to go. So now what I need from you guys, you have been very faithful with me. You have been here sticking around. So I want you to be the countdown to launch the project. So once you say launch, I will be launching the project, and that will be a fun way to launch it, right? So can I get a 5? So once I get a 5, please write down in the chat 5. There is a delay in the stream and the comments, so it gets a little bit annoying. So we are getting a 5. That's good. Oh, we have lots of 5s now. And then now we need a 4. Let's go for a 4. Come on, people. We need 4. 4, 4, 4. We are getting 4s. Wait. Okay, let me restart the stream. Maybe it will be better. Wait. Guys, can you hear me now? Okay, we were at 4. So it's getting delayed. Let's go at 3. Let's go for 3, 3, 3, 3. Can we get a 3? 3, 3, 3, 3. This delay is very annoying. We have to do something about this because I get the response very late. Okay, let's get a 2. Can we get a 2? Wait, some people are going back to 4. Should I go back to 4? Okay, no, it will not be fair. Let's go to 2. And then let's go to 1. We are at 1. Only 1 second left to launch. Can we get a 1? Great. And now what we need is a go. So write down go in the chat and I will launch. Go, 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 go. You know, the F1 cars. Go, go, go. There you go. Let's go ahead. And it says drum roll, please. Something is happening. And it is launched. Congratulations, your project is live. Oh, we're getting a lot of goes now. It's already gone. So it is already live. Thank you everyone for being parts of our computer vision journey. And okay, so now if you have any questions, you can ask in the chat. Let me answer a few questions that I received earlier. So let me cancel this so that you see this part only. I don't want to leak anything confidential. Okay. Is the course available once we buy it? If you buy the add-ons, yes, you will get the add-ons after the the campaign ends. But of course we have a timeline. So if you go down, we have a timeline with the delivery is in August. So that is when we will be delivering. Okay, then we have, I am in USA. What is the latest time we can order today? Well, I am not really sure about the time, but the way our team did this is that every country should get close to 24 hours to back for the first day. So that offer will be available on the first day. So you guys can access at least for like 20, 24 hours, something like that. This is a pretty new thing. From where did you learn these things? Experimentation and documentation. So these are the two things I would recommend. Any projects in the basic course? Yes, the car counting project is included in the basic course. So the traffic analyzer will be in the basic course. And after the basic course, you will be able to create a lot of projects. And there we have it. We have our first backer clapping. I should clap myself, right? So, in fact, let me find the name of this person so that I can share it in public. Who is our first backer who trusts us so much? Oh, we have our second backer as well. So thank you guys. Thank you very much for trusting us with your computer vision journey. And I would like to mention, oh, we have 3 backers. My bad. So we have 3 backers till now. Thank you very much. And let me find the names of the backers so I can announce. Oh, we have the 4th backer as well. Thank you, guys. We are closing to 1,000. So at the speed, we have our 5th backer. So the speed at which we are going, I'm hoping now, earlier I was hoping I will get 1 backer, but you guys have shown a lot of love. And now I'm getting greedy, right? So now I'm hoping that we will get our 3,000 goal within our live stream. I mean, that will be amazing, right? So if we can get to $3,000 within our live stream, I would say that is pretty. That would be pretty neat and amazing. I'm getting a little bit tired. So let me find the names of the people who actually backed. So the first backer is Tracy Walton. Thank you very much, Tracy Walton. The second backer is Raul Perez Eljo. Man, you have a difficult name. Nira. Raul Perez Elijo Nira. I would love to know which country you are from. It's a very difficult name you have. Maybe if you are in the chat, you can tell us where you are from. Okay, where did that go? Okay, so our third backer is Tim Conkley. Conkley, yeah. Tim Conkley, thank you very much. And our 4th backer is Anurag Verma. Anurag, thank you very much for supporting our campaign. We do have a 5th backer as well. We have Bukasa Tashilombo. It's a difficult name, I would say. No, it's not two. It's Bukasa Tashilombo. Good name. Difficult though, but good name. So far we have 5 backers. So what we can do is, let me put the counter on the side so we know if somebody is backing. And I have on one side, I have all the, backer names. So I can announce if somebody backs us. And then on the other side, what I want to do is, I want to show you the preview of what exactly is the course about and what exactly will you be getting. So someone was asking which project you will get with the basic course. So the project that you will be getting, let me make this smaller. We can zoom in. Oh, the zoom in is difficult. So I think you can see here. Yeah, you can see here. So the project you will get with the basic one is this. So you will be able to create your, you will be able to embed your AI model in the drone. And from there, you will be able to fly it and tell it to do different tasks. So one of these tasks will be car counting. And that's a very good project because I did this actually myself. This is not a footage that I got from Shutterstock or somewhere. I did this myself. I went to a road, and then I flew the drone, and from there I was looking at the count, and it worked very well actually. So it did take some tuning here and there, but it did work very well. I would say definitely that's a oh, we have 7 backers now. So the 6th backer is Ibaiki Mi Eri. Guys, you have very difficult names. Ibaiki Mi Eri. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's very difficult for me to pronounce this. Okay, and I will be taking your questions as well. So thank you, Baiki Mi Ari, and then Nishant Parus, Nishant Parus. You know, I feel like when I used to teach in my university, and then sometimes I used to get very difficult names, and then I had to announce it loud. So I'm getting that sort of feeling again. Okay, so we have 9 backers now. Amazing, amazing. Thank you very much, guys. We have Jean Luke Bordisoli. Thank you very much. And then we have Ami or Amy? AMI. How do you pronounce AMI? Ami. Or is it Amy? I think Amy would be AMY. Or, yeah, maybe Amy. Thank you, Amy, for backing our project. And now we see the people who will get the drones. Well, the people who will get the drones, we will, basically what we will do is, we will gather all the information of the ones who bought the early birds. So if you go down and see, if you can see here, there are early bird, what do you call, backings, pledges. So if you get the early bird, you will qualify for it. And then we will communicate with you so that you can get the drone. So yeah, that's the idea. So all the red ones, that's why we created those red graphics, so that you don't mistake it with the other one. So if you are an early bird, then you should get the benefit of the early bird, right? So that's the idea. Oh, we have more. Let's see how many backers. We have 10 backers now. Adam T. Thank you, Adam T, for backing our project. We are very close to getting our goal. We are only around 750, 743, I believe, away from getting our goal, which is $3,000. So if you guys are willing to, if you are interested in, then this is the time to go ahead and get it with your early birds. So let's go and check some more questions. Can one upgrade at a later time? What is the difference between advanced and full advance? Advanced and full advance, what is that? Okay, let me go down and let me try to explain. Okay, so the key difference here is that this one is AI Drone Advance. So it is AI Drone Advance. The full pack Advance has another course that was launched 2 years back, which has different projects like where is it? Like this, hand gesture control. You can do hand gesture to flip a drone, to move it around. You can learn about PID, advanced body following, selfie drone. All these projects are included in the previous one. So that is the one that is different. So if you get the full pack, you will get the YouTube course without any ads. You will get the previous course that is paid. In fact, let me show you that course. Computer Vision Zone. Yeah, this is that course. So that is valued at $197 by itself. But if you get it with the AI Advance, you will get it for $267 only. So think about how much you're saving. So if you look at that, it has gesture control, it has selfie drone, body following, full body, half body, face following advanced, because normal face detection doesn't detect on the side, but it detects with the advanced version, it detects from the side as well. And then 3-axis PID control. How do you do that? How do you plot it? How do you tune it? All of that is here. You can watch the videos if you want to know more about these. And then we have, that's pretty much the course that we had. So let me explain. Yeah, so that's the difference. AI Drone Advance and Full Pack Advance. It has another course in it, which is worth $197 by itself. That was launched 2 years ago. That is mostly based on image processing and hand gesture control and body movements and so on. Okay, so how many backers do we have till now? Oh, 14 backers. We are very close to getting and hitting our goal. So please keep subscribing. Please keep backing. So let me announce the names. Number 11 is Ronald Aguri. Thank you very much. Ronald has contributed without buying any course. He has contributed just for contribution. So thank you very much. That is very nice of you to contribute. Then we have Laguda as well. And then we have Roberto Gracia. Again, Roberto has contributed without any backing. So thank you very much. He has contributed just for the contribution part. Then we have Mark 8. Mark 8 has also contributed. Thank you very much. So till now we have 14 backers. So that's amazing. You know, I was hoping for one backer, and you guys have shown a lot of love, a lot of support, and I'm very grateful and I'm very thankful for all of the support. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Again, no worries. I talk a lot and then I get these issues. We have another oh, we are almost there, 2928. So I believe one more backer and we will reach our goal. So the number 15th backer is it Baite or is Bilte? I think it's Baite. Sometimes I and L, they are very similar, so it's hard to differentiate. So it's, I think it's Bite. Thank you, Bite, for backing. What do I need to learn before doing CV machine learning in Python? You need to learn Python, and after that, you just need to start by creating some projects. So that's the idea behind, and that's what I did. If you like to do something, if you have interest in something, just try to follow that, and it will be fun, and you will be able to follow through. Otherwise, it will be difficult. I thought full pack EDU was 367. Yeah, it is 367. Yeah, this is full pack. Full pack educator is 367. Is there a mistake somewhere? Maybe you are referring to something else, or maybe I did not understand what you are referring to, because it is 367 here. And it's for the early bird, but after early bird, if you look at that, then it is 497. Yeah. Is math necessary to use the CV Zone library? No, maths is not necessary. It's mostly about implementation rather than learning the theory. So we don't dive too much into theory. We learn about implementation more than the theory itself. Done for advance. Thank you very much. So you bagged the advance. Thank you. Your name is not showing the same here, so I'm not able to tell who you are. Citizen Inventor. The previous course is not up to date. I had problems with MediaPipe versions. The one used in course was not able to for download anymore. Has updated it. See, the thing with updating is that a lot of the times they completely change the MediaPipe version. So what I recommend, if you want to run it, try to use the same versions of the same libraries. And what we do is we try to make big changes in the courses. So if it's only a minor change, we don't do that. We list it down somewhere in an FAQ or somewhere we explain how to do that. But creating or producing the whole video again, that's a little bit of a challenging task, I would say. So that's not always possible to do that. So what we do instead is we highlight it. If it's a big problem, then we fix it, and then we mention what exactly needs to be changed. Actually, I am just grade 9. Is it possible for me? Yeah, of course, it is possible for you. In fact, I would recommend you go and try out the free version. So don't go ahead and buy the courses. First, try them out. Try the drone programming course on YouTube. And if you understand it, if you like it, then go for the more advanced version, the paid ones. It's difficult to find drones, SDKs. So we will be looking into that as well. So later on this year, we are going to launch something that will be the solution for what you are referring to right now. Now it is in the makes, and we are already working on it. So I don't want to spoil it for now, but we are going to do something that is going to surprise the world, and it will be for the very first time somebody has done that, and it will be amazing. Citizen Inventor equals Mark 8. Thank you, Mark 8. Thank you. Oh, we are done. Oh, we have exceeded the goal as well. So we are at 3,823. So thank you very much. Thank you everyone for your support. How much did it take? I believe right now it's 8:35 here. And when did we launch? I think we launched at 10, I think. Yeah, we launched at 8:15 because that's when it will end. So we launched at 8:15, and at 8:35, after 20 minutes, we are fully funded. So thank you very much for all the love and support. And I'm very thankful for all the subscribers. And let me mention the people who have backed us. So we have 19 backers now. So backer number 16 is David Parker. Thank you, David Parker. Then we have number 17, Charlie's Justice. Number 18 is Fabrice Coqueen. Fabrice Coqueen. And number 19 is Abkul or 2. Thank you very much. Thank you all of you for backing. And we have the 20th backer as well. That's amazing to see how well you guys are supporting the project. Oh, the backer name is Ed. ED, that's it. It's a very short name. Very retro, I would say. How many projects are there in the advanced? So the advanced version basically has all the projects. So all the projects that we will do will be in the advanced version. The educator version will only have curriculum and learning material for an institute or a school or a university so that it's easier to teach, but the advanced version will have all the projects. So if you look at what do you call the different projects, it will have the drone show. Let me get to that first. It will have the drone show, it will have the fire and rescue, it will have the obstacle course, it will have the traffic surveillance, and yeah, it will have all the courses. Can one load the quantized model onto the drone? The thing is, if you want to load on the model on the drone, it will not go into the drone because the drone is only $99 and it has a very tiny processor. So what we do instead is we load our model in the computer and then we transmit the information between the drone. And that's pretty much how it works. Yeah, that's the main idea. Backed the advance, Abkul or Chu. Thank you very much, Abkul. Abkul, are you from Indonesia? I feel like this is an Indonesian name. Oh, we have more backers. Backer number 21, Envision Codes. Oh, okay, I guess that's a company. Yeah, they have a name, Envision Code. Thank you, Envision Code, for backing our project. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, you can ask. If you have more questions later on, you can always email us at contact@computervision.zone. The thing is, my voice has started to change. So, how long have we been streaming? Let me see. 1 hour 7 minutes. So that's a lot of talking. So my voice is now changing a bit. So I think we should end it here. So we have already succeeded our goal, and I'm very glad that we were able to do it in just how many minutes was it? 20 minutes. And in fact, even less than 20 minutes, because I believe I saw it late. But yeah, let's say it's 20 minutes. Why not? But I think it was 18, 19 minutes, something like that. So if you have any questions, oh, I got the course. Thank you very much. If you purchase the course, if you back us, we will try our best to deliver this on time and fulfill whatever you were hoping for. You didn't select the winner yet. So the winner will be selected after 24 hours because the offer is for 1 day. One complete day, you can basically be eligible for this. Will this project live stream in YouTube? No, this is a paid course and it will not be streaming on YouTube. It is only for the users who back our campaign. Can you use Python code in mobile apps? Yes, you can. Not very feasible though. Good nights. Good night to you as well. I am also getting tired. Right now it's 8:42 over here. Okay, guys, so I think we are pretty much done here. Thank you for everyone for backing. Thank you for listening to our live stream. Now, if you are not able to back this project, but you like the project, then please do share it with your friends. Please do share it on your social media platforms so that it can get pushed and more people can see it and they can benefit from us, from the course, and we can benefit from their backing and their support. So that is pretty much it for today. I hope you have learned something new. I hope we have given you something to think about, some new technology that you will be excited to learn. And we will try to keep coming up with new projects, with new courses, and some free versions, some paid versions. Now a lot of people say, why do you create paid versions? Well, we do have to run our kitchen as well. We do have to eat and drink, so we do have to get some of the parts for paid courses. So by the way, we have 11 paid courses, I believe. Yes, we have 11 paid courses and we have 312 free videos on YouTube. So you can see it's a big difference in ratio. We have another backer number 22, Ahmed Alwani. Thank you very much, Ahmed. Can the course be on Udemy to help Nigerians pay? Unfortunately, we are not able to do that. Udemy, we are not able to add it to Udemy. Backed it with passion from Kenya. Thank you very much. Oh, Abkul is from Kenya. I thought Abkul was from Indonesia, but he is from Kenya. Thank you very much. Can you use this for any drone? Well, as I mentioned before, some part of it, yes, you can. But in the communication part, you will need a different Python SDK to run that. So it's not always that you will be able to run with that Python SDK. So you have to get your own, or the drone manufacturer has to give you that SDK. Okay, so I believe that is pretty much it. Thank you very much for everyone for staying with us, for listening to us and backing our campaign, and keep sharing it with your friends. Keep backing us, keep giving us your support, keep commenting, and I will see you in the next one. See you around.